Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down fully and unplugging everything. This prevents shorts and preserves BIOS settings until we remove the battery. Once done, remove the laptop main battery or flip the desktop PSU switch to off, then hold the power button 5-10 seconds to discharge residual power. Make sure to ground yourself with an anti-static strap or by touching metal. Static will damage the board. Then open the case using a small Phillips and plastic pry, locating the round CR2032 coin cell in its socket. You next document orientation. Take a quick photo so you reinstall with correct polarity. This matters for CMOS retention. Once oriented, gently release the retention clip with a plastic tool or fingernail. Do not pry with metal near traces. Lift the old battery straight out, inspect the socket for corrosion, and clean contacts if needed with isopropyl and a soft swab. Insert the new CR2032 so it seats evenly. Press until you feel the clip secure it. Make sure the contact feels solid before reassembling. You reassemble the case, reinstall the main battery on laptops, and reconnect AC power. Then power on and enter BIOS setup right away so settings don't linger in a default state. Verify system time, date, boot order, and any custom settings or RAID configurations. Restore saved profiles if necessary. If the system still loses settings or shows no CMOS battery detected, shut down, reseat the coin cell, inspect socket solder joints, or consider a motherboard soldered RTC battery. Those require professional repair or board replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.